Hi diddly ho there, Amiibo Kateers. It's Ryan, and I got some rare Amiibo. I almost was not able to procure these Amiibo, but I locked out. Yeah, check it out. Whoa, man. Yeah. So I got Tsukino Monster Hunter Stories 2 Amiibo. I got the Zelda and Loftwing Zelda Skyward Sword Amiibo. I got the Reyes Wing Ratha Monster Hunter Series 2 Wings of Ruin Amiibo. He's a big boy. Yeah, I was expecting the Loftwing to be a big one like this one, but it's smaller than I was expecting. Zelda's like tiny. Like, look how tiny she is. Like, compared to other Amiibos. I guess this would be a good comparison. These two. Yeah. The normal sized person, Zelda's tiny. And there's a lot. And it's 25 bucks. That's more expensive than Amiibos have been. So I also got Inna. So, start things off, I'm gonna open Zelda and the Loftwing Amiibo. Yeah, this is the one I was most excited for. So, I was barely able to get a pre-order for this. I had to do it through GameStop. Best Buy is my preferred place to buy Amiibo from. And then the Monsters, oh my gosh, the Monster Hunters Stories 2 Amiibo, they're a real pain to get. Luckily I got up at the right time because I had to go to the doctor, and I just happened to see them. They went up on they went online, and I'm subscribed. The best way to secure Amiibo is to follow the Amiibo subreddit on Reddit, because there's always people that are like, go, 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 they're up. Yeah, check it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I got this Amiibo out. It's a very cool Amiibo. It's Zelda and her Loftwing. Now these are actually based on like a real type of bird that are really cool. Yeah, so actually got it to focus on that. Pretty cool. Zelda and her Loftwing. This is gonna go really good with the rest of my Zelda Amiibo. Very lucky to have a complete Zelda Amiibo collection. I got a complete collection right now. Have not been able to pre-order the Metroid Dread Amiibo yet, but I'm gonna keep my eyes open for pre-orders. I'm gonna hope that they get on. I also managed to get the Zelda Joy-Cons. They're not here yet. The Zelda I'm doing this on July 17th because the Zelda and the Loftwing Amiibo, they took an extra day to get it to me. Got the game yesterday. I wasn't all that excited for it. It's one of my favorite games of all time. It may be my favorite game of all time. I love it a lot. So, here's Inna. I don't have Monster Hunter Stories 2 yet, but I may pick it up eventually. Yeah. She's got like an egg or something. I don't know what she has. Yeah, check it out. Another very cool Amiibo. Glad I was able to get it. They were up for like an hour, and I happened to be up and on Reddit at the right time, and I was able to. This one went out of stock like immediately. I was kind of tempted to buy a second set just to keep for a while, because the Monster Hunter series, they get really rare. Oh, I just noticed they damaged this box, kinda. It's a good thing I'm an out-of-box collector. Else I'd be like, you know, open up the Tsukino. If I'm pronouncing that right. I usually keep my amiibo boxes, but I've been throwing them away. They're too much space, man. Yeah, I got Skyward Sword HD. Day later, Zelda, the Loftwing amiibo. These came like a week after they came out, so I was like, I'll just add the Zelda and the Loftwing onto the Monster Hunter Stories 2 amiibo unboxing video. There is Tsukino. He's got a bird on his head. Problem is the camera likes to focus on my face more than it does what I'm putting in front of it. Yeah. There's these two together. Very cool. And now the old big boy. Old big boy Razewing Ratha. Old big boy took a tumble. Oh. Alright. Let's open it. Gonna look good with the big boy cat Monster Hunter amiibo that I forget its name already. Dang. Complete collection. No cards. I don't have any cards yet. I'd like to get Shadow Mewtwo though. There we go. Out of the box. Razewing Ratha. He's a big boy. He's a very cool Monster Hunter amiibo. Somebody can ride him. No little slot like the other Monster Hunter amiibos have, where you could like change out the humans that ride on them. Yeah, very cool, very big amiibo. Yeah, check it out. I guess not too giant. Yeah. So, there's the Monster Hunter Stories 2 amiibo. Where'd I put Zelda? Yeah, and there's Zelda. This is my favorite of this unboxing. I'm a big Zelda fan. Been trying to get into Monster Hunter though. Me and my friends tried to get into playing Monster Hunter World, and that kind of fell apart on us. We'd probably get back into it. Just me and my one other friend were doing too much overtime for video game night. So, this has been unboxing the Monster Hunter Stories 2 amiibo and the Zelda and Loftwing amiibo unboxing. Combine them together since they released so close apart, and because the Monster Hunter Stories 2 ones got delayed a week for me because I had to order them on the day they came out. Very happy I was able to get them though. And then I'm very happy I was able to get Zelda and Loftwing. It's been a little more difficult to get amiibo lately. It was getting pretty easy there, but I should be able to get the Metroid Dread 2-pack. Pretty good at securing stuff I really want. I got the Steam Deck. I pre-ordered that. It was really smart how they had pre-orders for that. That's going to be very cool. I'm gonna play some GameCube games on that. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you wanna. I'll see you next time when I get those Metroid Dread amiibos. And I opened a bunch of Pokemon cards. Got one of those videos coming up. Got a bunch of the Shining Fates, I think it is. Got a lot of Pokemon cards from that. And then I'm gonna do a video on my entire Pokemon card collection up to this point. So that'll be fun, you know. No, I got some old cards I should dig up. Anyways, thanks for listening to me ramble on and open some amiibos. See ya. Yeah, Zelda amiibo. Yeah. Oh, I gotta stop recording.
Fuck the haters. When you see me in the street, they say Willy Willy. When you don't see me in the street, I'm like a hillbilly. Outside, cause nobody wanna see my Willy. Outside, everybody wants some Willy. When you see me in the street, they say Willy Willy. When you don't see me in the street, I'm like a hillbilly. Outside, cause nobody wanna see my Willy. Outside, everybody wants some Willy. Fuck is you wrong when we hit the room? Motel, these niggas know me in the tune. Hear the sounds of the feather when we spin the tunes. Everything feel right like you in the womb. What I'm gonna make you in the afternoon? Top shelf money, that's my new perfume. Twist it up like the end of the hell of fumes. I'm the one that's zoom if you just assume. I've been beat up my whole life. I've been shot down, kicked down twice. Ain't no stopping me tonight. I've been get all the things I like. I've been beat up my whole life.